Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, the signs of the open angle glaucoma. Signs of the open angle glaucoma include, first here we have to see the signs of open angle glaucoma in visual field defects. Okay, before that, right, first we will see the normal retinal fibers. So this is the picture of the normal retinal fibers. Here we have four bundles of fibers. Actually, these fibers which are present, these are called as superior radiating fibers, and these will have inferior radiating fibers. This is radiating fibers, and this is called as superior arcuate fibers. Okay, these are called, these below fibers like this, these are inferior arcuate fibers, and this is between the optic disc and the macula. We have the bundles called as papillomacular bundles. So this is the normal retinal nerve fibers.
thank you and thank you for watching.